Hey everyone, Ramel here, and today I just wanted to talk to you guys quickly about JavaScript. JavaScript is something that I've grown to love and something that I am continuing to learn pretty much on a everyday basis. And I've been using it for about 10 years now. And I had an idea previously that I wanted to start doing a tutorial series showing you guys how to build a Slack bot that got your Overwatch stats, and that was all going to be in JavaScript. I did one video, which you can find here, and I never did parts 2 and 3. I tried to do these all in one take, and that's kind of what set me off from doing it. But now that I have a better idea of how to make some tutorial videos, I've had some practice with the Synology stuff, but I really want to start sharing my knowledge in JavaScript and hopefully get some of you guys interested in picking the language up or just picking up software development in general. I think it's going to be a good way for both of us to learn. Me, if I'm doing stuff wrong, I hope that the community chimes in and just lets me know, hey, you can try this instead. And for you guys, hopefully you'll learn how to build something from the ground up just using JavaScript. I really want to build something that's gaming or Twitch or sim racing related. So if you guys have any ideas of what you would potentially want to see, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll also probably have a general idea of what I want to build by March. So hopefully I can share that with you. I'll probably have a Trello board to kind of just keep track of the process and progress, as well as I'll keep the repo public so you guys can check out the code, and maybe I'll have a branch or release per video that I make so you guys have snapshots of what the code was like at any given point. But I hope you guys also check out the code, make PRs, and we can maintain it as a community if it's an idea that's pretty cool. If not, use it to learn for sure. But hopefully we can build something together and have something that is fun to use, but also a tool to learn how to build a web app and even a mobile app, because we can do that now with JavaScript. Do my best to help explain it in a way where it's not too difficult. I really do want to practice my teaching, so I feel like this is going to be an okay way, or I hope it's going to be a good way for me to learn to teach. And please leave as much feedback as possible, especially if I'm doing something wrong, or if you want to see something else and want to see me take it in a different direction. I'm very open to feedback, and that's something that I've learned to be more receptive about. If someone tells me to do something, or if I'm doing something wrong, I really like to see their perspective and try to apply it going forward. And if they're not wrong, or if they're not right, then still listen, but maybe not apply it. I'm sorry that I skipped out last week as well. I've been very busy in terms of projects that I'm working on, but that's going to wrap up soon, so I'll have a little bit more time. I also have not been playing anything or streaming in general. My time has been very limited these past couple weeks. You guys will see why soon, hopefully. And also my room has just been packed with stuff. I got this wheel stand. I don't know if you guys probably saw in the last video, but there's this wheel stand that just takes up way too much room, and I can't even close and open my door fully anymore. But I will have the mouse reviews up soon. I really just gotta clean my desk and get rid of all this clutter. I think after this week, I'm for sure gonna keep to a more regular upload schedule every week. I promise I will do my best. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me this week. If you guys have any ideas of what kind of app or tutorials you guys want to see, feel free to leave them down below. I will be doing it on both Windows and Mac, so you won't have an issue with either if you don't have a Mac or you don't have a PC. I will show you guys my environment setup on both of them, so don't worry. I don't have a Linux machine, but if you guys really want to see that, I'll dual boot my PC to Linux. That'll be fun. So if you guys want to see that, then maybe I'll do that as well. I will try to stream again this Saturday. So if you guys want to tune in on that, it's twitch.tv/forbiddenx. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more of this content. That's going to be it for me this week. I am out. Peace.